How to buy gift cards on Sweatcoin. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can purchase or buy gift cards using the Sweatcoin application. First is open up Sweatcoin and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now your balance is located at the top right. Simply tap on that. To purchase or to get a gift card, make sure that you have enough amount of balance so that you can purchase it without any problem. The other thing that you can do is to earn it for free or into rewards. At the lower portion of your screen, you should see Home, Earn, Reward, Social. Just simply choose on Rewards. And then from here, switch it into Premium. Tap on the Premium reward. And then you could actually enter now to win a gift card of your choice. Simply hit on Try Premium and just simply follow on screen prompts. Other thing that you can do is to go into the Earn tab. Now from here, you can scroll down and choose up and look for any specific rewards from here which actually provide you a gift card if you completely done that specific task. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to buy gift cards on Sweatcoin.